You. Yes, you. You have won. Nothing, really. But we could give you 4 reasons why you should add text to video. More and more businesses today are choosing to add text and captions to their videos. What is driving this trend, you ask? Well, let's jump right in. Number 1, content becomes easy to recall. Well, a person can retain more information about an object when several cues are provided about the object. Let's not deny it. Sometimes we need a little help to get all that information in. Text on videos provides us with that extra cue that helps us understand and retain the information in a video much better. With Typito, adding text on video has now become easier than ever. The text option gives you a wide range of styles to choose from. Choose the one that works for your video. Bold texts or minimalistic texts. We got it all. Number 2, highlights important points. Every video has sections that are important for the audience to take home. Breaking down the video to showcase certain shots help retain important information. And highlighting the text emphasizes it more. You could do the same for a video you are creating by using the pre-designed templates. Let's see how it's done on Typito. Go to typito.com/templates and search for highlights. See something you like, save it. The template should pop up in your workspace, then add the text you need to your video. Number 3, videos are consumed without sound. A recent study indicates that 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. Text is critical for most of these videos since they help us understand the video in its context without playing sound. If you want to create videos that are powerful even on mute, head over to the captions menu in Typito and choose the voice to text option and then click Auto Generate. It's really that simple. Auto-generated captions for your video in a matter of minutes. Lastly, number 4, creates a brand identity. Have you ever met Quentin Tarantino? You haven't? I haven't either. But 5 minutes into any of his movies, you will start seeing the man and his brand in every single shot. Similarly, your videos can boost your brand's recall. Starting with the logo, every single element of text used in the video can also translate into your brand language. Using our branded templates would do the trick. Adding your logo and brand colors to the video would ensure that you build a strong brand identity over time. If any of the above use cases apply to your videos, think no further. Those extra moments to add text on the videos will be worth it. Like the video? Try out Typito for free by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to our YouTube channel for actionable tips to design professional-looking videos on your own.